Are you tired of wasting time cutting grass under the hot sun or dealing with expensive lawn services? Imagine a robot that trims your lawn perfectly while you relax. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best robotic lawn mowers of 2026 that bring smart automation, power, and precision together. Number 5. Segway Navimow X4 Series. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is one of the most advanced robotic lawn mowers of 2026. Designed for homeowners who want a perfectly maintained lawn without the hard work. Built with Segway's latest innovations, the X4 Series combines powerful all-wheel drive performance, intelligent navigation, and professional-grade mowing capabilities to handle even the most challenging outdoor environments. It features the revolutionary zero-turn AWD system, allowing smooth turns without damaging the grass while maintaining exceptional traction on rough terrain and steep slopes up to 84%. 40. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that require boundary wires, the Navimow X4 uses advanced network RTK positioning and 360i vision technology for precise navigation and obstacle detection. This allows the mower to create accurate maps automatically and mow efficiently without complicated installation. The system can identify and avoid more than 200 types of obstacles, making lawn maintenance safer and more reliable. The mower is equipped with dual 180W cutting motors and a wide 430mm cutting deck, providing excellent coverage and professional-looking results even on thick, dense, or tall grass. Its smart momentum technology automatically adjusts cutting performance based on grass conditions, ensuring a consistent finish across the entire lawn. Fast charging capabilities minimize downtime, allowing the mower to cover large properties efficiently. Another major advantage is its intelligent APP control, which allows users to customize mowing schedules, edit maps, adjust cutting heights, and monitor mower performance from anywhere. Combined with advanced obstacle avoidance and precise edge cutting technology, the Navimow X4 delivers a truly hands-free lawn care experience. Advantages: no boundary wires required, powerful AWD performance handles, steep slopes and rough terrain advanced, obstacle avoidance, wide and efficient cutting, system smart APP control and automatic mapping. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking premium, intelligent, and fully automated lawn maintenance. Number 4. Ecovacs GOAT A3000. The Ecovacs GOAT A3000 LiDAR is a premium robotic lawn mower designed to make lawn care completely automatic. Built for medium to large lawns up to approximately acre, this advanced mower combines powerful cutting performance, intelligent navigation, and wire-free installation to deliver a professional-looking lawn with minimal effort. Its innovative dual LiDAR navigation system creates highly accurate 3D maps, allowing the mower to navigate complex yards without requiring boundary wires or RTK antennas. One of the biggest advantages of the GOAT A3000 is its LEL's Pro Dual LiDAR technology, which combines a 360-degree LiDAR sensor, a front-facing 3D TOF LiDAR sensor, and an eye camera. This system enables precise navigation, accurate mapping, and reliable performance even in areas with trees, shadows, or limited satellite visibility. The mower can also recognize and avoid more than 200 types of obstacles, making operation safer around pets, garden furniture, and landscaping features. Performance is another major highlight. The GOAT A3000 features a powerful 32 volts platform, dual-blade disc cutting system, and intelligent path planning for fast and efficient mowing. It can climb slopes up to 50% 27, making it suitable for challenging terrain. The cutting height can be adjusted remotely through the mobile app from 3 cm to 9 cm, allowing users to customize lawn appearance easily. Fast charging technology recharges the mower in about 45 minutes. Reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The companion app allows users to create mowing zones, edit maps, schedule mowing sessions, and monitor performance remotely. Reviews frequently praise the mower's time-saving convenience and strong cutting performance, especially for larger properties. Advantages: wire-free. Set up advanced dual LiDAR navigation, obstacle avoidance, fast 45-minute charging, handle slopes up to 50, smart APP control, precise edge mowing. The Ecovacs GOAT A3000 LiDAR is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a powerful, intelligent, and fully automated lawn mowing solution. Number 3. Husqvarna Automower 450X NERA. The Husqvarna Automower 450X NERA is a premium robotic lawn mower designed for homeowners who demand professional quality lawn care with minimal effort. As one of the flagship models in Husqvarna's NERA lineup, it combines intelligent navigation, advanced obstacle detection, smart connectivity, and optional wire-free technology to deliver exceptional mowing performance on large and complex lawns. It is capable of maintaining lawns up to 5,000 square meters with traditional boundary wires and even larger areas when used with Husqvarna's EPOS wire-free system. One of its standout features is the ability to operate with either physical boundary wires or virtual boundaries using Husqvarna's EPOS satellite technology. This gives homeowners greater flexibility when creating mowing zones, temporary no-go areas, and customized work sections directly from the mobile app. The mower also includes advanced object detection and avoidance sensors, helping it navigate safely around obstacles while reducing interruptions during operation. The 450X NERA is built to handle demanding terrain, including slopes up to 50% inside the mowing area. Its intelligent navigation system automatically optimizes mowing patterns, while systematic passage mowing improves performance in narrow spaces. The mower uses 3 pivoting razor blades and features electric cutting height adjustment, allowing users to fine-tune lawn appearance remotely through the Automower Connect app. Smart features include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular connectivity, GPS theft tracking, geofence security, firmware updates over the air, and compatibility with smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Owners can monitor, schedule, and control mowing activities from anywhere using their smartphone. Advantages: covers large lawns up to 5,000 square meters. Optional wire-free EPOS navigation, advanced obstacle detection and avoidance. Handles slopes up to 50% GPS theft, tracking and geofence security. Smart app control with Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity. Smart home integration, quiet and energy-efficient operation. The Husqvarna Automower 450X NERA is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, intelligent, and highly customizable robotic lawn mower for large properties. Number 2. Segway Navimow X4 Series. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is a next-generation compact robotic lawn mower lineup designed for modern homeowners who want smart, effortless, and precise lawn maintenance. Built for small to medium-sized gardens, the X4 Series brings advanced navigation, wire-free setup, and intelligent obstacle avoidance into a compact and affordable package, making it one of the most practical robotic mowing solutions of 2026. One of the standout features of the X4 Series is its advanced LiDAR plus Vision EFLS navigation system, which allows the mower to map your lawn with high precision without requiring boundary wires or external antennas. This means installation is fast, simple, and completely stress-free. The system scans the environment in real time and ensures accurate positioning even under trees, in shaded areas, or in complex garden layouts. The X4 Series also includes Vision Fence, eye obstacle detection, capable of recognizing and avoiding over 200 types of objects such as pets, toys, garden furniture, and uneven terrain. This makes mowing safer and more reliable, especially in active household environments. Combined with smart route planning, the mower delivers clean and consistent cutting results with minimal missed spots. Performance is another strong point. The X4 Series can handle slopes of up to 45% around 24, making it suitable for uneven gardens and hilly lawns. Its optimized wheel system and electronic stability control help maintain smooth movement and prevent turf damage even on challenging surfaces. The cutting system is designed for fine, even trimming, giving your lawn a neat, professional appearance. Through the Navimow mobile app, users can easily control mowing schedules, adjust cutting zones, set no-go areas, and monitor the mower remotely. Regular software updates ensure continuous performance improvements and smart feature upgrades. Advantages: wire-free installation, no boundary cables. LiDAR plus iVision navigation system, smart obstacle avoidance 200 plus objects. Handles slopes up to 45% app-based smart control. Compact and efficient design, ideal for small to medium lawns. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is a smart, Beginner-friendly robotic mower that delivers advanced technology in a compact and user-friendly package. Number 1. Segway Navimow X4 Series. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is one of the most advanced robotic lawnmower lineups of 2026. Designed for homeowners who want a perfectly maintained lawn without the hassle of traditional mowing. Combining cutting-edge AI technology, precise GPS navigation, and powerful mowing performance, the X4 Series delivers a fully automated lawn care experience. Whether you have a medium-sized yard or a large property, this smart mower is built to handle the job efficiently while saving time and effort. One of the biggest highlights of the Navimow X4 Series is its wire-free installation. Unlike conventional robotic mowers that require complicated boundary wires, the X4 uses advanced RTK positioning technology combined with AI-assisted vision to create highly accurate virtual boundaries. This makes setup faster, easier, and more convenient. The intelligent navigation system ensures precise mowing patterns, resulting in a cleaner and more professional-looking lawn. The X4 Series also features advanced obstacle detection and avoidance technology. Using AI cameras and smart sensors, it can recognize and safely navigate around trees, garden furniture, pets, and other obstacles. This improves safety while ensuring uninterrupted mowing performance. The powerful cutting system delivers consistent results across different grass types and lawn conditions. Another major advantage is the dedicated Navimow mobile app, which allows users to create mowing schedules, manage multiple zones, adjust cutting settings, and monitor mower performance remotely. Smart connectivity and automatic software updates help keep the mower operating at peak efficiency throughout the year. Advantages: no boundary wires required, advanced RTK GPS navigation, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, precise and efficient mowing patterns, smart app control and scheduling, multi-zone lawn management, quiet and ECO-friendly operations suitable for medium and large lawns. The Segway Navimow X4 Series is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a powerful, intelligent, and fully automated robotic lawn mower that delivers professional quality lawn care with maximum convenience.